All right, so I was outside, and when I went back inside, I noticed this little bug on my arm, and he was like, "Hey, bro, look at me next under the microscope." And I was like, "All right, yeah, we'll look at you." But honestly, I have no idea what this thing is. It looks like a fruit fly, but it hops like a grasshopper, and it doesn't run quick. So it walks like a fruit fly, has wings, but it hops. So let's look at it and figure out what it is. All right, so we're under the microscope, and here is the wings and the abdomen. It very much looks like a fruit fly. We'll keep looking at it and figure out some details on it to see what it really is. Still looks like a fruit fly to me. Until you get to the head. That is not a fruit fly. Let's flip this guy over and see what the underside looks like and see if we can start piecing together. I think I know what it is. All right, he's flipped over now, and I think this is a plant lice or a louse. Let's see. Look at this right here. Right there. It's got like a little probe used for piercing and sucking out sap. Yeah, here's another view of that. I'm pretty sure this is the mouthpiece. It's got attached to the head and runs down and comes to that probe or pin. All right, let's move on. So moving down on the other side, but I'm pretty sure this is a plant louse or lice. Similar to how lice for us suck the life out of us, then these things suck the sap out of a plant and feed off of it. If I am wrong, someone please correct me in the comments below. And this is coming close to the end of the video, so I want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe and help support the channel and help us get that push to the 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.